Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your account PIN in your Prime Video account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Well, this right here is the interface. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Initially, what you need to do is simply hover over your profile picture along with your name. You will find that at the navbar in the rightmost section. Once you hover over it, something like this will open up. Well, right here is profile and your account. Currently, we're only gonna focus on your account section. Just below this, watch anywhere, you will see account and settings. Simply click on it. Then you'll be redirected to this page, that is account and settings. Well, you can edit your details from right here as well, but currently, we're only gonna focus on how to change the account PIN. To do that, what you need to do is simply go to restrictions right here. And you can see something like this that says Prime Video Account PIN. And right next to this PIN, on the rightmost section, you can see a button like this that is Change. Simply click on it. Now enter your new PIN. Once everything's okay, simply hit on Save, and then your Prime Video Account PIN will be changed. Well guys, that's it. That's how we change your Prime Video Account PIN. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.